WHTSN. Now, here's the latest from the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center.
Well, nothing subtle about this. Here's your action. It's snowy to the south. Bedford, Seymour, onto the Ohio River. You'll see snowfall potential and snowfall amounts increase rapidly, included in the winter weather advisory. Bloomington, Nashville, Columbus, Greensburg on the south. As you get closer to the Ohio River, that's where it becomes more substantial. I would not be traveling there as we get into the late evening and overnight hours. The greatest potential for heaviest snow is in Kentucky, but you can see Bloomington to Greensburg south, the advisory area within the Hoosier State. Let's show you what happens 7 o'clock tonight. There's going to be a sharp cutoff line to the snow and certainly the heavier snow. By 11 o'clock starting to confine itself more to the Ohio River, and then by 3 o'clock in the morning pulling away, and that colder air settles in. Biggest travel impact I-69, Bloomfield down to Evansville, Columbus to Louisville on I-65, and then Interstate 74, Greensburg to Cincinnati. Temperature trend all downhill. Look at this. We'll wake up tomorrow morning with temperatures in the lower teens, if not the single digits in a few areas. 7-day planner looking for warmth. Look to the right side of your screen. It's there. 49 next Tuesday, 53 next Wednesday. Oh, yeah.